We are going to take a look at a Union Tool 38-inch top and bottom glue spreader. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This machine offers tremendous value. It's clean, complete, and comes with more than $20,000 in replacement rolls alone. First off, you have a Union Tool 15A 38RC top and bottom glue spreader with a 38-inch width capacity and a 4 3/4-inch maximum thickness capacity. It is powered by a 1 horsepower motor and has a built-in VFD that allows for variable speed. This glue spreader also features forward and reverse as well. Overall, the machine is in very good condition. Down low, you will find a sandpiper glue pump that is plumbed into the lower and upper rolls. Also included are 2 complete sets of replacement rolls, including doctor rolls, main rolls, and end seals. One set is deep grooved while the other set is shallow grooved. With these spares, you will be able to run for a long time before putting money into the system. Plus, you will have the benefit of spares that can be sent out for recovering without downtime.